Hi there, students. Twitch. To twitch as a verb. A twitch as a noun. And I guess twitching as an adjective. Okay, to twitch is to move slightly, but quite suddenly. So it's a small, sudden movement. Usually without intending to do so. He twitched when he heard his name called. Yeah, or you could have a nervous tick where you always twitch. Okay, it's twitching. The rabbit twitched its ears. They moved quite suddenly. Okay. He tried to suppress a smile, but he found that his mouth was twitching. He just couldn't avoid it. Okay, so to twitch, a sudden movement. He indicated to me to come with a twitch of his finger. Yeah, just a tiny little rapid movement, and that is the idea. You could also, if you gave something a little pull, that would be a twitch. You will feel the line twitch when you've got a fish caught. Yeah, you'll feel it pulling, it'll twitch. And I really like this phrase, when the curtains twitch. So I walked down the road and the curtains started twitching. People looking through their curtains. So if the curtains are twitching, people are very interested in what their neighbours are doing. Yeah, they're trying to find out, they're trying to look out of the window, but without being seen. When we moved into our new house, the windows were twitching constantly. Yeah, so it's just a little movement of the curtain where you see somebody's actually trying to look at you. Okay, but a twitch, a small unintentional movement. He twitched when I told him the enormous price that this was going to cost. Notice as well, a twitcher, probably a slightly rude word for a bird watcher. Yeah, a bird watcher goes twitching. Well, they go on trips to try to see a rare bird, and that's a twitcher as well. Okay, so to twitch, a small sudden movement. I saw the grass twitching and I knew that there was some small animal hidden in the grass because it was making the grass twitch. It was making it move ever so slightly. Okay, so to twitch, to move jerkily, to quiver. A brief spasmodic muscular contraction. Yeah, okay, so a sudden movement, a sudden jerk. Okay, a sudden pull, yeah, particularly of a body part. After the massage, my body felt like it was twitching all over. There was sort of pins and needles everywhere. Okay, so to twitch, so to pull rapidly. The line twitched because I'd caught a fish. He has some sort of nervous tick, and his eye twitches very often. Okay, so to twitch. Notice as well, a twitch of pain. Okay, so I'm feeling twitches from, I'm still feeling twitches from this old injury. But it can also be like a twinge or a mental twitch. I was suffering from a twitch of embarrassment, yeah, a little bit of it, like a twinge or a sudden pain or a sudden sharp pain of it, okay, very often a twinge as well. Yeah, he was suffering a twinge of remorse. Remorse twitched within him, yeah, okay, so he was suddenly twitching with remorse. Okay, so to twitch, a regular verb, he twitched. He has twitched 3 times in a row. Regular verb. Formality, this is neutral formality. You can use this anywhere. Yeah, use it as you wish. And then as to origin, it comes from Proto-West Germanic, Twikigian. Twikigian. To nail, to pin, to fasten in place. Okay? So to twitch, a sudden movement. Yeah. His eyes twitched when the pretty girl came in the room. Yeah. His eyes twitched when she crossed and uncrossed her legs. Okay, so twitch, a sudden movement. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A twitch.